Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre, back another day with another unboxing. Today we have sneakers again, and I've been looking forward to these. Even though people are, I don't know if they're trash talking them, but they don't seem to like them at all, which we also can see on the resale prices. But I don't care at all. First of all, we get the cool gray box. I really like it when we get something else besides from that black box, the standard box. And when they match the sneakers, that's super cool. And these shoes are sort of special, even though that they are not, because we haven't seen these since 2007. They were only released back then, and now 2021. And these shoes, let me explain like this. In '97, Jordan brand became their own thing. Nike thought that, or realized that the brand was big enough to not wear the Nike name. And roughly 10 years after that, 2006, 2007, Jordan brand started to do this thing where they released other colorways, not only the OG colorways. They started retroing shoes, of course, they have done that for a while, already back then. But these were one of the first shoes that they were called lifestyle shoes. And the price was higher on these. And when they released their lifestyle shoes, they were always matching outfits. So this shoe were like one of the first shoes that Jordan brand realized that people are actually not wearing them on the court. They are wearing them as a lifestyle. And people want the matching outfits with the matching t-shirt. And yeah. And I'm pretty sure that the quality was a little bit better on those lifestyle sneakers, more with suede and thing. So yeah, so that's why I don't mind the Jumpman in the heel, because that was the lifestyle shoes. That was the new colorways. Now, of course, we have the OG retro shoes with the Nike Air instead, but I like the Jumpman. The Jumpman is cool, so I don't mind that at all. And then, yeah, we call them cool gray, and people complain about them having some orange and having some red, because the other cool gray sneakers, I have a bunch of them. I don't have them all. I don't have the 9s, but I have the 11, I have the 4s. I don't have the 8. I don't even know if they are called cool gray, maybe wolf gray. But this is usually cool gray. All gray or most gray. And then some white. But I don't care what you call them. I like it. I didn't get them the first time. I don't know why actually. But I remember them to be a little bit darker. But maybe they get darker by time, because I really like the elephant print and the elephant gray. Together it looks amazing. This shoe is not true to original from the 2007 release. I'm pretty sure that they were not, we have to see pictures, but they were not perforated up here. And I don't think they were dark gray there either. I think they were lighter gray. But I don't care. It's a good looking shoe. And the Jordan 3 is a sneaker for the grown up, for the adult that doesn't want to wear the Air Force One but still wants something classic looking. And a gray shoe always looks good. Even though I think some shoes that are not super colorful are boring, for some reason I like gray. So there have been some complaints about the quality on these, and I can sort of agree, not the quality, the material, because on the left shoe is usually, you know how it is with Jordan brand. The right shoe and the left shoe different from each other, but the left shoe have the tumbled leather look and the feel of brushed leather. It's not suede, it's absolutely not suede, but brushed leather. And then the right shoe has more leather feeling, nothing tumbled at all. It's very flat, and yeah, it feels a little bit like brush leather, but you don't have that suede soft feeling at all. So yeah, the right shoe and the left shoe different from each other, but at least the color is right. And otherwise, there are no paint or glue residues. It's a wonderful shoe, and the resale prices on them are the same that we pay here in Sweden. Here in Sweden, we pay 220 euros, and that is the resale price on StockX. Maybe 230, maybe 240, depending on the size. But in my size, the resale price is the Swedish retail price. So don't care about what people complain about. This is still Jordan brand history. For us that have been around for a while, we really do remember these. These were one of the first lifestyle shoes that had a higher price, the matching outfits from Nike or Jordan brand. We had a Jordan Jumpman in the heel, used to really show that this is not Nike, this is Jordans. Yeah. I wish they had gray laces, but they don't. So no extra laces. And the box was empty, yes. I think they would look better with gray laces. Maybe even orange or red. Not red, but orange maybe. But gray laces I would like to have. But once again, these are adult, grown-up shoes. You can wear them to work, daily, casual, even dressed up. So yeah, once again, I like them. The price is a bit high, but I'm guessing that is the new Jordan brand price. 220 euros for us in Sweden. That's a lot of money. So let's put them on. Why not? All right, I don't have too much to say about them actually on foot. They are true to size, as the Air Jordan 3 always are, or has been so far. Even for us with wide feet. They are maybe not the most comfortable shoes when it comes to cushioning, but otherwise the fitment and everything, they are super nice. Absolutely daily worth. So yeah. Don't, the laces, you won't wear them like this, but this is what I do. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe, that would be nice. And comment. Do you have the shoes? Do you like them? What do you think about them?